Alright, good morning everybody. I've got a really big drone job today, so I got to get this thing up in the air. This is a construction site, and they have me photograph it once every month. And they estimate it's going to take a year for them to finish what they're doing. So I photograph it once a month, and I've been doing this for about 5 months now. So they want 12 pictures, and they want me to go all the way around. So let's have some fun. Start right there, and then let's swing around over here. Figured y'all would enjoy this. Some kind of remodel job that they're doing here. And alright, now we got to get higher. See it more from the top. So we did 2 pictures so far. 10 more to do from different angles all the way around. I'm going to get really high, probably about 600 feet here. Approaching 600, right there, 600 feet. Alright, I like that. That's a good angle. Alright, that's 3 shots. So we're going to start flying around it. How about like that? I like that angle. That's a fun angle. Right there. Alright, that's 4 shots. Let's get a little bit higher, probably around 800 feet. We're just crossing 700 feet right here. And we're going to get it from this side, straight side angle. A little bit higher. That's 800, crossing right there, crossing 900. There we go, 900 feet. We get that angle. What is that? I believe we're up to 6 shots. Let's go down here. From this back corner angle. Just like that. And that would be 7 shots. And we'll keep going around. According to my battery, I'm at 87%. Kind of thing when you do this kind of job, you better check beforehand. Just to make sure you got enough. How about this angle? Right about, I better get a little bit, just a tad bit higher. Just crossed 1,000 feet. Right about there. You're starting to see a little cloud action, so I better get down. I don't want to be in the clouds. Come on, clouds. Go away, clouds. That angle, very good. Gonna start keep working our way around. Where is the clouds? Doggone it. All right, we're back down on the just under 900. We're gonna go with that angle. All right, coming around again. Now under 800 feet. Yeah. Kind of like that angle. Okay, let's get in here on this side, straight side angle. Tell you what, while I'm here, let's just go straight over the top of it. Get that angle. sure. Hopefully I can get this straight down angle without having to go into the clouds. Always makes for a difficult shot when you got to go in the clouds. Ugh. How about, I see the clouds coming in. Come on, let's go down a little bit. Right on the edge of those clouds. Alright, we're going to take that. Let's get out of here. Down to 77% on the battery. Alright, that's a pretty fun angle. Now you can see how half the image is dark and the other half the image is light. That's a cloud covering the sun. Sometimes you got to just kind of get in position and wait for that cloud to move one way or the other. Alright, I'm going to take that. Come around once more. Under 700 feet now. We're going to go with this angle here. Okay, so then what I want to do while I'm up here, I'm going to drop down and get some kind of close-ups of some of the things I'm seeing that they're doing. I've never done that for them before, but I'm going to do that this time. Like I'm going to get that tower. That tower looks new to me. I don't think that was here last time. Dropping down below 400 feet now. Alright, how about right there? And then we're going to fly around looking for new stuff. How about this over here? This looks kind of like a new building. Get a nice shot of that. And let's go back here to this area. Looks like they're ripping this apart, whatever this is. So we're going to kind of get this from over here. Kind of showing that and that other building. And then maybe over here. Kind of that angle. Alright, that's probably 12 shots. What do y'all think? I quit counting. Let's see if there's anything else while I'm here that I want. No. Alright. Fly this baby home under 300 feet, so I don't have to worry. Above 250, under 300. I don't have to worry about bumping into stuff like power lines at this altitude. But you can see that white van right there, flying straight towards it, in front of the big truck. That would be me. That's why everything's so loud right now, because you can hear cars passing. See, I got a bird who don't like me. It's coming around. Okay. So y'all know I'm really the one doing this. See? That's me. Hello. That was fun. Hope y'all enjoyed that. And we're going to land it. And we're going to call it the end of the day. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.